Everybody sing. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Very good. So guys, one more time, and you pass there with clap your hands. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Okay guys, before you blow me after yung kanyang candle doon sa kanyang pinakabongga birthday cake, so everyone please be quiet and listen to mommy and daddy for birthday wish of message for beautiful celebrant. So Amber, listen to your mommy and daddy. First, daddy first.